vlog, and I am headed towards Cars and Coffee this Sunday. It's been quite some time. Cars and Coffee also hasn't organized an event, and today they've organized it in Nexus Shantiniketan Mall in Bengaluru. And of course, as always, the expectation is going to be to see some insane cars, good modified, tastefully modified cars, meet some really nice car enthusiasts, chill for some time and head back home. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. And I'm seated in Cherry Bomb. Avinash here, Mr. Cherry Bomb, and the boys are behind. There are a lot of cars coming, and let's go have some fun. Okay, there's a BM here. Don't know whose it is, but I'm guessing they might be going to Cars and Coffee. But before, in front of that is our Wolf, and in the mirror you can see Dementor, the car we got recently stage 2 tuned. It's going to be a nice drive as well. Near Nexus Shantiniketan, stop to fuel up, of course, clean the cars a bit, see a little bit dirt because it has rained. So want to clean the cars, put in tire polish, and then go to Cars and Coffee. Oh, there's some damages already on Wolf wheels.
Yeah.
Okay, it's around 9:42. Cars and Coffee starts at 9:30, but of course we just start to clean our cars a bit. We are leaving now. Fans, somebody wants to take a picture. This is Black Bunny here, and we are just like 500 meters from the mall. If we take a left, it's a mall. We just stop for a small break. We're going to give entry now. We have to even set some light settings here, and then once we give entry, it looks nice. Finally, time for the grand entry. Here is Nexus Whitefield. Okay, here we climb up to first floor. Sharan here. Hi Arjun.
Hi, how are you? All good.
Hi.
Namaskara, sir.
Namaskara.
You go left.
Okay. Oh yeah.
बड़ी फर्स्ट फ्लोर बनी है. Hi Sharan.
All good.
Long time. How are you?
Good, bro. You, how are you?
Good, bro.
Nice to meet you on top. Carry on.
Okay. Done.
Straight up, right?
Yeah. There's a spot right
You
there.
can reverse up there.
Hi Dion.
Hi, dude. Hey,
Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
You can park up right there.
Okay, this is the spot. A very low-key meet, I would say. Very nice. Well organized. Hi Javad. So many viewers from Java would like to see Cherry Bomb. Finally, Wolf is here. Wait for Wolf's turn. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hurry, bro, hurry. Get out of fans. So many of them admiring Wolf's nitro squad. Great, looks more like an underground meet, but we're in the second floor. Let me show you all the cars that have come to Cars and Coffee this time. There's a huge lineup. It goes all the way from here, and you can see there to the top. These are our cars here. Black Bunny, Dementor, Cherry Bomb. I'm just checking out the city. It looks so neat. It's, I'm missing my city. My city is not there with me. It's gone. It's in the garage for some work. Check out these wheels. Really nice Omni, I gotta say. Very tastefully modified. VRS. Check this out. Oh, MG. Oh, insane. That's Wolf, of course. Here's the other lineup. Old Benz. This is a Sharon's Octavia. So this is a stage 3 tune. Oh, the Volkswagen GTI. All the luxury segment cars. Oh, this Benz and BMW we spotted on our way, correct? The starting of the vlog. Wow, looks nice. Cars still arriving. My friends Pawan's Alto, Pawan Tom. This car definitely requires me to make a full review video. Got a lot of modifications. Very soon a great upgrade is coming. I'll show you the exhaust of this. Exhaust in the side. If you watched my Tumkur video where I went to an auto show, this car was a part of it. It's got even the rear lines, the rear lights are modified. Bro, nandu Kerala nalide bro. Adu ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ mounting issue ಆಗಿದೆ. Different categories of cars. So your ground floor will be a vintage, then it goes super car. Eventually we'll see more. The idea is that we get all this. Okay guys, finally the video comes to an end. We are exiting Nexus Mall, Whitefield. It was an amazing meet. Peaceful crowd, nice cars, great people, of course. Cars and Coffee, thank you all for hosting such an event. Hope to see more events like this and see you all in the next video. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.